How to turn on or off a microphone on augmented reality permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now just click these three lines and then click settings and then click permissions, and that's it. Then just wait few seconds, and now scroll down until you find here microphone, and here we'll find augmented reality permission. You can turn it on or off, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.